opportunity to let some of the children come up here and sit and see right here and become captains of the duck. Now, this is how this works, guys. This is a photo opportunity, so if you have any cameras, you want to bring the cameras up with the kids. I will work from the front of the duck to the back of the duck, and I'll try and get all the kids who want to come up here. I have limited time in the water, but we're going to try and work that out. Hello there, how are you today? What's your name? Nyla? There's my first captain. First Captain Nyla's in the house! Nyla, how you doing? Now, who's on the deck with you today? You're where? Where's your dad? Oh, the cool guy is your dad? That guy is cool! Did you know your dad was so cool? Wow, you know how I know he's so cool? Because I was watching you guys when you came on the deck, right? And he gets on here, he stops you this one, and says, yeah, I'm cool, I'm cool. You must be so proud of him. Are you proud of your cool dad? You are, Nyla? Stand up for me. We're going to do something. Stand up for me real quick. Turn around and look at everybody back there. I want you to be loud, proud. I want you to say, my dad is cool, man!
My dad is cool, man!
Yeah! We'll take a picture real quick. Make your pretty picture. We're going to smile from the
I got a video running.
Oh, we're going to be on YouTube.
That's right. Cool, baby.
I'm just catching out here riding the duck in Stillwater Park. I'm here with my friend Nyla right here. We're having a great time. Are we having fun? Yes, we are. We're having fun. Yes. Yes. Bye-bye, everybody. See you later, okay? Have a good day. Thank you for coming up.